So hi,
Hi.
so right now I'm doing a program like the associate of art and science to transferring students. So can you tell me about your major, computer science and software engineering?
Yeah, actually, computer science is one of our most popular majors. It's one of the programs we're most known for. Definitely prepares you for careers to work in all the major computer companies all around area. So we have graduates that work for Microsoft, Google, Nintendo, But really programming, if that's what you're interested in, computer science is the program to get into.
So can you tell me about the prerequisite for like application for this fall quarter?
Yeah, so you need to have at least your 2 English courses, the general English, the advanced English. You need 2 calculus courses, calculus 1 and calculus 2, and then you need programming 1 and programming 2.
Oh, okay, that's nice.
Yeah.
So can you tell me like if your school have like offer for scholarship for international students?
So we do have an international scholarship for international students. You have to be a student at Bothell though first before you can qualify for it. Yeah.
Oh, that's
But we definitely recommend you connect with our financial aid office. They can point you to different resources for international student scholarships.
Oh, wow. So can I have more information about like the application stuff?
Yeah, most definitely. You can take a brochure
that
has information on our website, which has all the information about transferring.
Okay.
If you look on the transfer section, that'll tell you all the different steps you need to apply. And then our autumn application, since you're interested in coming for a fall, opens on February 8th. So you can apply then. We have 2 deadlines. We have a May 1 priority deadline and then a June 1 regular deadline.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
That's cool.
Yep.
Can I have the pen?
Yes, and feel free to check that and check a pen too if you'd like.
Yes. Thank you so much.